Hello, my name is Danielle Rodriguez from Edinburgh CISD Media, and today we are here at the welding class here at CTE to ask students why they chose this program. Here is the story.
My name's Orlando. I'm a senior at Vela, and I do welding. I chose CTE because this is a career path that I've always wanted to take after high school. I've learned patience. I need to take my time with things. Not everything's gonna be done real quick. You need to have patience. And obviously the skill of welding, cutting, grinders, just things like that. Last year I was able to get I want to say 6 certifications. So they're all structural certifications from 2F to 4F, and my D9 to D11.
My name's Edgar Diaz. I go to Robert Vela and I'm a welder at CTE. My favorite part of the CTE welding program is just getting to meet new people. It's just cool meeting people from new schools and everybody just getting along together. First grinder welder, change the job scope gun. It sets you up for the future. Like some people don't start until they're 21, but you're starting when you're already in high school and you're just certified already. You're above others, so it just helps a lot. I think I could use welding to get a good job, help my family out a lot. They do pay good. Honestly, I could say just take the risk. It's really worth it. You're gonna meet a lot of new people. You're gonna see if you enjoy it, if it's what you want to do. It's just finding a passion for yourself.
Because of the welding program here at CTE, our students are able to go straight into the workforce. This has been Danielle Rodriguez with Edinburgh CISD Media. Stronger together.